Wake up gently and let the fun start. Reach up to the sky, touch your toes down low. Breathe in like a flower, breathe out nice and slow. Wiggle like a worm, then stand up tall and bright. Shake your hands and shoulders, you are doing great tonight. Ready, set, smile, feel your feet on the ground. Ready, set, breathe, let's spin around and around. Stretch up high, soaring like a bird in the sky. Stretch up high, we can rise, we can rise. Kind hands, kind words, happy hearts shine bright. Stretch up high, we feel good, we feel right. Point your toes like arrows, bend your knees like trees. Sway from side to side now, flow as easy as the breeze. Make a little star shape, wide arms big and grand. Twirl around and giggle, then clap your tiny hands. Take a breath in, take a breath out. Quiet little tummy, then a happy shout. Stretch up high, soaring like a bird in the sky. Stretch up high, we can rise, we can rise. Kind hands, kind words, happy hearts shine bright. Stretch up high, we feel good, we feel right. Hello little body, hello little heart. One more sweet breath and a joyful start. Feet on the mat now, morning in my skin. Hands to the ceiling, let the day begin. One breath in slowly, one breath out wide. I can feel my shoulders softening inside. Breathe in, breathe out, let the worry leave. Feel your heart now, trust the calm you keep. if you drift, return. Every step is sacred, every spark can burn. Take this